Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to create a Kahoot question poll. So let's start. It's very easy. So first we have to go to kahoot.com. Then when we are here, in the top right corner we'll find the option that says create a Kahoot or join to game. So first let's press in create a Kahoot. Just wait a little bit until this is ready. You have to log in your account. In this case I will use a Google account. Then continue, and then when we are here, just close and continue to do it. Okay, now we have to choose your account type. We chose, for example, student, and we have to select the birth. In this case I will select my birthday, so just select this one and then just continue. Okay, username, you can select whatever you prefer, and then we wait a little bit until this is ready to create our poll on Kahoot. So now that we are here, just select what you prefer. Okay, now we have to insert media if we prefer, or the question. For example, what color do you like? And then we have to add an answer. You prefer one, or depend on how many answers you want. Okay, in this case we prefer 3 answers. You can do it and then you can save it. You can preview how it looks, and now you can see here the answer. Okay, so that is how we can start working on it, and then just click on save. Okay, you can select here the time limit, points, etc. So just select the type here and just save it. That is how we can create a poll on Kahoot. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.